call me a motivational speaker, but I disagree with the teaching that some people must be unavoidably poor, that poverty is Onataluchi. I think that opinion says more about people that are teaching it. Of course, some people are going to be poor. Some people are going to choose bad habits over habits that are progressive. Some people will choose to not invest in any self-development. Bad habits are easier, right? If you apply the right knowledge and put your house in order, I put it to you that you will be unavoidably wealthy. How much money is it that is needed to make somebody wealthy? Think abundance, fam. There's too much wealth in this plane to not happen somewhere. You're lying in the gutter and you realize this abundance and you fucking start picking dirt in the streets and you buy a truck. Get your 10k dollars or 15k dollars and you are rich in Nigeria, right? And in most other countries. You are homeless in the bush and you realize the abundance and you start tapping the uncountable, untapped palm trees and then selling to the market that will pay you the best. You know what I'm saying? Not fucking drinking all your palm wine and being ill-disciplined. Your fate is always in your hands. Even if you fumble it like I fumbled the love of my life, the woman who is the keys to my kingdom, you can still make sad music of fumbling your wonderful fate or fortune. To speak my music, opportunity never ends. As good man, be more. Shout out, ever so aptly commented. I see my destiny in my journey. Onataluchi mbuni gem, my everyday, so I'll do my best every day. You know what I'm saying? No blaming on your bad chi or whatever, fam. It is this same fatalistic viewpoint at play when they disagree with me that Ibuni Nebudibia. Me, I can happily agree to disagree. Send funds, but some food for thought for these people. You can't see people and their potential finish if you don't first see yourself finish. Look at yourself and ask yourself, why are you always considering people in their helpless, worst human condition and not their powerful, possible best and potential? Spread your wings, fam. The world is your oyster. Stream Holy Ezumes whenever your spirit doesn't feel right. Whenever you feel no more, Yagazi.